Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can transfer photos or videos from your Android phone to your laptop or PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my Android phone, and if you want to transfer the photos or videos from your Android phone to your PC or laptop, you have to connect your Android phone to the PC or laptop. And here I have connected my Android phone to laptop. I connected my Android phone with the USB cable to my laptop, and once you connected your Android phone to laptop, you will get this notification, guys. This one, Android system USB for file transfer. You have to tap on it and tap on this option, and make sure that you selected this option, this one, transferring files or Android Auto. Okay, and then after that you can open your laptop or PC. Okay, and on the laptop or PC, we are going to open our file explorer right here, guys. And then we can click on this PC over here. And this is my Android device. And if you want to transfer photos or video from Android device, we have to open it. Okay, and this is my SD card and also my internal storage. And for example, I'm going to transfer photos or videos from my SD card. So I'm tapping on the SD card. Okay, and I'm just going to select this folder, and for example, I'm going to transfer this photo, this one, and also this one. Okay, once you're done selecting the photos or videos, you just need to right click and you can click on cut or copy, and I'm gonna go with copy. Then we're going to click on this PC again, and I'm going to select this one. Sorry, this one. Okay, and just right click and you can click on this paste option. Okay. Alright guys, and now the photos have been transferred to my laptop, and that's how we can transfer photo or video from Android device to laptop or PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.